Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. My name is LaQuana McIntyre. You are tuned in to the road to success. I am successful too. And in today's video, I want to talk about a very basic subject, but it's a subject that I feel like I can kind of speak on because I am pretty happy with where my life is right now and where it's going. But today I do want to talk about how to get success in your life. So I do know a lot of people are chasing success. This is something that we all desire for the most part. We all desire success, whether we're built for it or whether we're not built for it. We want to, all of us, we don't want to feel the struggle. We don't want to feel like we're constantly in survival mode. So I'm going to make this video very short and sweet because I feel like, success is just one of those things where it's different for everyone. So success is not the same for everyone. Some people, successful may look like financial abundance, and for some people it may very well just be success with family or friends. Like, it may not even have anything to do with things that are tangible. So the first thing when it comes to being successful, guys, is you have to first and foremost acknowledge what success looks for you. What does it look like for you? What is it that you could get in life that would make you feel as if I am successful? It could be being at peace or being happy. Some people may have a regular job and they may have the house and the car and they're at peace, and that's their success. Some people may be millionaires and they have everything, and that's their success. So what does success look like for you? So that's the first thing you're going to want to establish. Number two, once you assess what success looks like for you, I feel like you should start studying successful people. Now, studying successful people, once again, will look different for everyone. So I love social media, and I constantly say this because this allows us to look at other people's lives that are nowhere near us. We can see other people's lives from way across the water over in another country, and we can just look at their day to day and see what they're doing. So again, I love getting on like YouTube specifically, and I just love looking at a day in the life of someone else's day to day, especially if they found some kind of level of success in their life, because I use that for inspiration and fuel, and it just makes me feel like I can do that too. And not to mention, you're getting all kind of wonderful nuggets and tips and things like that for people who've actually gotten to where you're trying to go. Okay, so once you do that, then you do want to go ahead and start creating a vision for yourself. So you've already established the fact that, hey, this is what success looks like for me. The next thing you want to do is create what type of life you want to live. What do I need to do to get to that successful point in life? What are the steps that I need to take? Let's just say it like that. So what are the steps I need to take? So this could be you setting goals for yourself. So you need to basically start setting goals for what you need to do. Now, generally, you simply, okay, sorry guys. So create steps for yourself. You can start creating a timeline if you want, and how quickly you want to accomplish these goals. But for starting out, I don't generally like to do that because you want to have grace on yourself when you're starting new habits. I know people like to say the magic number is 30 to 45 days, but that's not the case for everybody. Like me personally, I like to do like little 60-day challenges in areas of my life that I want to improve or fix. That way I can make it a habit. But if I'm not doing this like I want to in that 60-day time frame, I'm going to add some more time onto that. So you can set goals. You can set milestones and things like that. I mean, that's a great way to keep yourself accountable. But I mean, if that's not reality for you right now, it's okay. The main thing is just getting started and just starting somewhere to work towards where it is you're trying to go. And the next thing after that, guys, I mean, those are the main things. The main thing is just definitely like just brainwashing yourself with success and what it looks like. Manifestation is also real. When I said visualize, it's creating the steps, but also like actually seeing these things. Whether that's going on Pinterest, I love Pinterest, or creating you a vision board, going to around people on certain sides of town who possess the traits that this type of successful person would have, or just acting like that person. You may not be that person that you're wanting to be in the moment, so start to mimic that person in your day to day. Again, that's not going to happen overnight, but like anything with repetition, it becomes routine, it becomes a regular thing. So just keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. There are many more steps to the journey of success, guys, and I would love to go into further detail on how to do so, but these are just kind of the basics on getting started to finding that success in your life. If you'd like to know more information on how to find success or how to be successful, please leave a comment below and we can definitely discuss further detail on what you could do to get to the point where you're feeling adequate enough with yourself. And again, when it comes to success, I cannot stress this enough. It is absolutely going to be different for everyone. Every single person is going to look at success in a lot of different ways. But just know that we're rooting for you. Know that God is on your side. That's another thing. I can't go without saying this. Please get your spirituality, get your spirit right. Start praying more, having more faith, because this road to success is going to take a lot of patience and a lot of faith and a lot of trust in yourself. I'm going to start a new series outside of the Breaking Free from a 9-to-5 series where we talk about trusting in yourself. Because a lot of us don't trust ourselves. We don't trust our decisions. We don't trust our next move. We just don't. We don't trust ourselves, so because we don't trust ourselves, we don't make a move. We do not bust a move because it's like, I'm a mess up. So I don't know what I'm doing. I need somebody to tell me what to do. So I would love to start talking more about how we could build that trust in ourselves so we can start becoming leaders, because we need more leaders. Thank you guys again for watching. I would love for you to comment, rate, and subscribe, and blessings to you. Bye.